All right, they're draft animals. Okay.
Method is off the table. These dark builders intend to release a string of man-made bioweapons plagues.
Pandemic flu, yes! Yes!
While at the same
My
time-
Novavax shares have literally doubled. Oh, yes. I'm making so much money off of human genocide, it's not even funny.
I'm expanding the police state to enforce an orderly extermination of the population,
Yes!
all in the name of fighting invisible terrorists.
If you are dumb enough to think that Osama bin Laden blew up the World Trade Center to help white people, to save the white people, oh, to save the white people who borrowed to get ahead. Save the white people!
And the Georgia Guidestones stand today as a cold testament to the elite's sacred mission.
And it is moral and justified that they do so.
To have a two-class system.
Yes!
The underclass are forced to live as slaves.
Yes! Yes, force the underclasses to live as slaves. Oh my God. I want my brother to be a slave because he is a moron. He didn't even understand that when he went to a bank to get a $35,000 car loan for his luxury car, the principal is created out of nothing, and he's a CPA accountant. He's a moron. Okay, he's literally a subhuman orc. All right, because he can't figure that out, and he's got an MBA. All right, if you can't figure that out, and you have an MBA, and you're a CPA accountant, you are an orc. Okay, you are a literally. Look at the eugenics books. Okay, that'd be somewhere between idiot and moron.
Those cities. While the elite enjoy the land of the earth,
Yes.
evolve into superhumans,
Yes.
with the aid of advanced implantable technologies,
Oh, I want
live
that.
eternal lives and
Yes.
thrive throughout the cosmos.
That's what I want. Okay, okay, this is a message to Rockefeller, okay, and all the other elites. Look, I will do anything you want, okay, with my corporation, to achieve your ends of global control, all right, but I want immortality, money,